The 2018 Winter Olympics in South Korea have finally come to an end, with the closing ceremony of the 2018 Winter Olympics concluding the Games in Pyeongchang. The closing ceremony will tell the story of the next wave and will emphasize the human spirit of perseverance. The program, which will incorporate music, dance and art, will be interactive, allowing viewers to get involved and stay warm. The daughter of U.S. President Donald Trump, Ivanka Trump, arrived in South Korea on Friday and will attend the closing ceremony, leading the U.S. presidential delegation that also includes White House Press Secretary Sarah Sanders. Spectators at the outdoor Olympic Stadium will receive 6 items to combat the cold and allow them to enjoy the celebration comfortably. Items include a raincoat, a return blanket, knit caps, a warm seat cushion and multiple hand and foot warmers.